Imagine the moment when the open American highway stretches endlessly in front of you, the sky painted with soft morning light, and the hum of a powerful engine becomes your only companion. This is not just travel, this is freedom engineered to move with you. Today we step into a vision of the future where luxury meets the road in the most confident way possible. Welcome to the world of the 2026 Ford Motorhome, a machine designed not only to take you places but to transform every mile into an experience. You are watching Motor Plus Zone, where we explore vehicles that redefine motion, and if premium road journeys excite you, subscribing here means staying ahead of the curve without noise or hype, just pure automotive passion delivered smoothly. The promise today is simple yet powerful. By the end of this journey you will understand why this motorhome is being talked about as a new benchmark for long-distance touring in the USA and the UK, blending comfort, technology, and commanding road presence into one unforgettable package. As the camera glides along its bold exterior, the first feeling is confidence. The 2026 Ford Motorhome does not ask for attention, it naturally earns it. Its design language is unmistakably Ford: strong lines, purposeful proportions, and a stance that feels planted even at rest. The front fascia carries a modern interpretation of Ford's truck heritage, with a wide grille that breathes authority and LED lighting that cuts through dawn mist and midnight rain alike. Every curve feels intentional, shaped by wind, distance, and the idea that this motorhome must look as good parked at a scenic overlook as it does rolling through desert highways or winding mountain passes. Step closer and the details begin to speak. Aerodynamic sculpting improves efficiency without sacrificing character. Integrated side mirrors offer improved visibility and reduced wind noise. High-quality paint finishes reflect the environment around it, from forest greens to urban skylines, turning the motorhome into a moving canvas of the journey itself. This is a vehicle that understands its role as both transportation and temporary home, and it balances those responsibilities with elegance. Opening the door reveals a space that immediately changes expectations. The interior of the 2026 Ford Motorhome feels more like a boutique hotel suite than a traditional recreational vehicle. Materials are chosen with care: soft-touch surfaces, premium upholstery, and warm ambient lighting that adapts to the time of day. The layout is open yet intimate, allowing movement without clutter and comfort without excess. Every element feels placed for real use, not just visual impact. The driver's area is where control meets comfort. Ford's latest digital cockpit greets you with crisp displays and intuitive controls. A wide digital instrument cluster provides driving data clearly, while a central touchscreen manages navigation, entertainment, and vehicle systems with smooth responsiveness. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration keep your digital life connected, while advanced voice control allows adjustments without taking your eyes off the road. Sitting behind the wheel, the commanding driving position gives a clear view of the road ahead, reinforcing a sense of confidence whether you are cruising interstate highways or navigating narrow countryside roads. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford Motorhome offers powertrains designed for endurance and reliability. Depending on configuration, drivers can expect a refined turbocharged gasoline engine or a robust diesel option, both engineered to deliver strong torque for long hauls and steep inclines. Power delivery is smooth and reassuring, never rushed, always controlled. The transmission works seamlessly, adapting to load and terrain without hesitation, making long-distance driving feel effortless rather than exhausting. On the road, the driving experience is where this motorhome truly shines. Suspension tuning absorbs imperfections with calm authority, smoothing out rough surfaces while maintaining stability at higher speeds. Crosswinds are handled with confidence, and steering remains predictable and composed. This is not a vehicle that fights the road, it works with it, creating a sense of harmony between machine and journey. Long hours behind the wheel pass comfortably, supported by ergonomic seating designed to reduce fatigue and enhance posture. As the journey continues, the living space reveals its true strength. Seating areas transform effortlessly, offering flexibility for dining, relaxation, or rest. Large windows invite natural light, creating a connection with the world outside while maintaining privacy when needed. The kitchen area is thoughtfully equipped, featuring modern appliances, ample counter space, and smart storage solutions that make preparing meals on the road both practical and enjoyable. It feels natural, not forced, like a space meant to be lived in rather than displayed. Sleeping quarters provide a retreat after long days of travel. Comfortable mattresses, quality linens, and noise insulation create an environment where rest comes easily. Climate control systems maintain ideal temperatures regardless of weather outside, ensuring consistent comfort from summer heat to winter chill. Storage compartments are intelligently integrated, offering generous space for clothing, equipment, and personal items without overwhelming the interior. Technology extends beyond entertainment into safety and assistance. The 2026 Ford Motorhome is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems designed to reduce stress and enhance awareness. Adaptive cruise control maintains safe distances on highways. Lane keeping assistance gently supports steering when needed. Blind spot monitoring becomes especially valuable in a vehicle of this size, providing added confidence during lane changes and urban driving. These systems work quietly in the background, supporting the driver without intrusion. Energy management is another area where this motorhome excels. Efficient power systems ensure that onboard electronics, lighting, and appliances operate reliably during extended stays off-grid. Optional solar integration and upgraded battery systems allow greater independence, supporting modern travel lifestyles where flexibility and self-sufficiency are essential. It is freedom without compromise, mobility without limitation. From a touring perspective, the 2026 Ford Motorhome feels perfectly suited to the vast landscapes of the United States and the scenic routes of the United Kingdom. In America, it thrives on wide highways, national parks, and cross-country adventures. In the UK, its refined handling and thoughtful dimensions make countryside escapes and coastal journeys equally rewarding. It adapts to its environment, proving its versatility across continents and cultures. What truly defines this motorhome is how it makes you feel. There is a calm confidence that comes from knowing your vehicle is capable, comfortable, and dependable. There is a quiet joy in waking up to a new view without sacrificing the comforts of home. There is pride in driving something that reflects thoughtful engineering and timeless design. This is not about showing off, it is about experiencing the road in a deeper, more meaningful way. As miles roll by, the 2026 Ford Motorhome becomes more than transportation. It becomes a companion, a space where memories form naturally. Morning coffee tastes better with mountains outside your window. Evening conversations feel richer when the road hums softly beneath you. The journey becomes the destination, and the motorhome becomes part of your story. Before we continue further down the road, if this kind of premium automotive storytelling speaks to you, this is a perfect moment to stay connected by subscribing to Motor Plus Zone. It allows us to keep bringing you experiences like this, explored with care, clarity, and respect for true enthusiasts. Returning to the drive, long-distance efficiency plays an important role. Ford's engineering focus on fuel optimization and intelligent power management ensures that extended journeys remain practical. Refueling intervals are reasonable for a vehicle of this size, and onboard systems provide clear information to help plan routes and stops with confidence. Maintenance access points are thoughtfully designed, reflecting Ford's understanding of real-world ownership. Design consistency carries through every detail. Cabinetry closes with reassuring precision. Flooring materials balance durability with comfort underfoot. Lighting transitions smoothly from day to night modes, supporting both activity and relaxation. Even small touches like charging ports and cup holders feel well placed, enhancing daily usability without clutter. The sound environment inside the motorhome deserves